Hey guys, it's Amanda, the Traveling Realtor, and welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be diving into 7 new ways to use AI for your short-term rentals. So whether you're a property manager, a landlord, a co-host, or maybe you're just curious about how technology can boost your rental business, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. First off, don't let the words artificial intelligence scare you off. I know it sounds very techy, but I promise you there are some really easy solutions out there that you are going to love once you dive into them. AI is coming whether we like it or not, guys. For instance, Airbnb has announced some really big changes coming where AI will be at the center of their operations. This includes everything from discrimination policies to rebooking processes, making the whole experience smoother for everyone involved. So let's get into the first way AI can help your short-term or mid-term rental business. Let's talk about market analysis. Are you looking to invest into a market but you don't really know where to start? AI softwares like ChatGPT can make this process a breeze. You can use it to do a simple market research. For example, if you have a city in mind, but you don't really know the best areas or the best neighborhoods for tourism, if that's what you're going for, or where short-term or mid-term rentals are more popular, it just creates prompts in ChatGPT that will give you detailed analysis to figure that out. Remember to double check your facts though, because while AI is great, it's a great starting point, you don't want to invest your hard-earned money based on AI alone. So definitely read it all, double check it, and you'll be good to go. Next up is discovering who your guest avatar is. Now, this is crucial for ensuring your property matches the needs of your guest, leading to better reviews, more bookings, and all of that. Using ChatGPT to uncover who is most likely to stay at your property is the best thing you could possibly do. You can input details about your property, like it's a 5-bedroom house next to a lake, and ChatGPT will help you figure out who your primary and secondary guest might be. Also, if you're in an area that has a lot of people moving into the area, maybe your target audience are relocation clients. Or maybe you're near a hospital and maybe your target audience are traveling nurses. And so just keep that in mind as you're doing research for this as well. Now, let's talk about listing copy. We all know how important it is to fill out all the sections on the sites like Airbnb, right? The more detailed your listing, the higher it will rank in search results, as we know. So sometimes crafting those messages can be a little tough. ChatGPT can help with that as well. So whether you need a catchy title, a detailed description on your property, or even interaction messages for your guest, AI can craft these messages for you with ease. This is a game changer. AI can even help with interior design. There are now AI tools that allow you to visualize how your property will look. Just search for AI interior design tools online and you'll find plenty of options. These tools can help you plan out your space, make it look as appealing as possible to your potential renters, and keep in mind who your avatar is. Who are your potential renters coming in? Because you're gonna want to create your space to be a spot that they want to come to. Communication is key in the rental business, as we know, especially when it comes to responding to reviews. So AI can help craft responses to negative reviews with the emotional baggage that sometimes are there. And it helps you stay professional, empathetic, which is crucial for maintaining that good reputation online. Many property management software programs already have a built-in AI for this purpose, making it even easier to handle guest communications. Let's talk about marketing with AI. Marketing is another area where AI can shine. If you have a website where guests can book directly, like I do, use AI to create marketing materials like emails and newsletters and all of your social media content. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate content about local attractions and events, making your newsletters more engaging and informative, and they're gonna wanna come stay in your properties. If you don't have a website yet, AI can help you build one pretty quickly. There are services that can create a website for you in minutes. One example is Hostinger, which can build a WordPress website, create a domain name, and even integrate with your property management software. So this makes it super easy to manage bookings directly from your own site, which I suggest because you never know what's going to happen if you have your entire business on some other platform like Airbnb What if Airbnb shuts you down? You have to have a way to do all of your own direct bookings if something terrible like that were to happen. Ask me why I tell you that later. So there you have it, guys. 7 ways to use AI to enhance your short-term or mid-term rental business. From market analysis to crafting listing copy, AI is making it so much easier than ever before to manage and market your properties. I hope these tips give you just a little more insight into how you can leverage AI to boost your business. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of real estate and technology. So until next time, have a fabulous week. Oh, and before you go, I have something special for you. So if you're excited about integrating AI into your rental business, but you don't really know where to start, check out my AI course, especially designed for short-term and mid-term rental hosts and real estate agents. I help a ton of real estate agents do this. And so this course will guide you step by step on how to use AI tools effectively, from market analysis to crafting perfect listings and descriptions and blogs and all of the amazing stuff that we use to drive direct traffic to our website. So visit amandathetravelingrealtor.com and click on the AI course button to get started. Trust me, it's a game changer, and I'll see you next time. Bye.